Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC B1632 references a problem with the motor control MTR CONT signal pertaining to the keyless access control system in a Honda Odyssey manufactured between 2011 and 2017. This error indicates that the system is unable to properly communicate or function due to potential faults in related components. The keyless access control unit is a crucial component that allows for hands-free access to the vehicle, providing convenience to the users. It is typically located near the driver's side, often in the dashboard area or behind the steering column. The error may also be linked to the electric steering lock, which engages and disengages to provide security for the vehicle. Correctly diagnosing and addressing this issue is essential, as it can affect vehicle access and security. DTC B1632 signifies a malfunction in the motor control MTR CONT signal related to the vehicle's keyless access control system. The keyless access control unit is an integral part of allowing entry and functionality of the vehicle without physical keys. It is generally located in the dashboard and near the steering column, where it communicates with other systems to operate. The electric steering lock plays a vital role in vehicle security. It locks the steering column when the vehicle is off to prevent unauthorized access. It's essential to ensure these components function properly, as they are crucial for both convenience and safety. The potential causes of DTC B1632 can vary, but are often linked to three primary issues. First, a faulty keyless access control unit may not communicate effectively, leading to the error. This unit is responsible for detecting the presence of the key fob and enabling the unlocking of doors and ignition. Secondly, electrical connection issues, such as loose or corroded connectors, can disrupt communication signals. It's essential to check the integrity of all related wiring and connections carefully. Lastly, a failure in the electric steering lock itself could also produce this code, as it may not be activating or deactivating correctly, which is crucial for vehicle security. Symptoms associated with DTC B1632 may indicate both operational failures and inconveniences for the driver. Users may experience difficulty in unlocking the doors of the vehicle using the keyless access feature, leading to frustration and potential accessibility issues. Furthermore, the engine may fail to start altogether, locking the driver out from operation. Intermittent keyless access issues might occur sporadically, leading to uncertainty about the reliability of the vehicle's security system. Recognizing these symptoms can be the first step in diagnosing underlying electrical or component failures. The first troubleshooting step for DTC B1632 involves clearing any stored diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. The HDS is a specialized tool used to diagnose issues within Honda vehicles. By erasing the DTCs, you are resetting the system and can determine whether the error reoccurs upon restarting the engine. This is critical in isolating whether the fault is persistent or if it may have been a temporary issue. After clearing the codes, you proceed to the next step in diagnosing the specific problem accurately. After clearing the DTCs with the HDS, the next step is to start and then stop the engine. This action is essential to reinitialize the keyless system and recheck for any fault codes that may reappear. By doing this, you create a fresh environment to check for ongoing issues associated with the keyless access control system. Following this, the system is better prepared for a diagnostic scan, allowing for accurate data retrieval regarding the status of the vehicle's functionalities. The results from this step will help assess whether the DTC B1632 is still present or if any new errors emerge. Once the engine has been started and stopped, the next troubleshooting step requires checking for diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, again, using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. This step is crucial as it determines if the DTC B1632 is still indicated in the system. If DTC B1632 is shown, it confirms the persistence of the issue, warranting further investigation into the related components such as the keyless access control unit or electric steering lock. If this DTC is not present, it suggests that the problem may have been an intermittent failure, requiring checks for loose or poor connections instead. If DTC B1632 is indeed indicated in the HDS, the immediate action is to replace the keyless access control unit. This unit may have developed internal faults that prevent it from functioning correctly, leading to the motor control signal issues. Replacing this component is essential to restoring the full functionalities of the keyless access system, which directly impacts the convenience of the vehicle's operation. Ensure that the replacement is performed following specific Honda procedures to maintain warranty and functionality. It's also important to conduct tests post-replacement to confirm that the issue has been resolved. If the DTC B1632 is not indicated after checking with the HDS, this implies an intermittent failure or that the system is functioning correctly at that moment. However, it remains crucial to inspect electrical connections for any loose or poor connections that may contribute to the initial fault. Checking wiring integrity, ensuring proper connections to the keyless access control unit and electric steering lock is vital to avoid recurrence of faults. This step can prevent future operational inconveniences. Additionally, securing all connectors and verifying their condition can ensure the system operates without issues moving forward. In this step, the first action is to disconnect the keyless access control unit connector B, which consists of 36 pins, and the electric steering lock connector, which consists of 12 pins. This disconnection allows for a more thorough assessment of the wiring and voltage integrity in the subsequent steps. By isolating these components, you reduce the chance of interference from other systems. It's important to take caution during this process to prevent any damage to both connectors. Disconnecting them prepares the system for precise voltage measurements that will help determine if signals are being properly transmitted to and from the components. After disconnecting the necessary components, you will need to press the engine start-stop button to select the on mode without starting the engine. This step is crucial as it prepares the system to measure voltage accurately. You are then required to measure the voltage between the body ground and pin number 1 of the electric steering lock's 12P connector. This check helps determine if there is battery voltage present, which is essential for the operational functionality of the electric steering lock. If there is battery voltage, it indicates that the wiring leading to the component is intact. But if there is none, it points towards a short circuit or other wiring issue that needs immediate attention. Following the voltage measurement, the next step would be to reconnect the electric steering lock's connector. It's essential to ensure that the connection is secure and undamaged, as any faults during this step can lead to inaccurate readings in further checks. Once reconnected, you prepare to move on to gathering data from the keyless access control unit. This reconnection allows the system to regain full functionality and communication capabilities, providing a clearer assessment in the next steps. Care should be taken to ensure that no foreign objects interfere with the connection, preserving the integrity of the systems. For this step, you will measure the voltage at the keyless access control unit using connector B, paying special attention to pin number 31. Similar to previous tests, you will check the voltage between body ground and this terminal. The presence of battery voltage reinforces that the keyless access control unit is receiving power correctly. If battery voltage is detected at this terminal, it suggests that the electric steering lock may be faulty, leading to the DTC B1632. However, if there is no voltage present, this indicates that the keyless access control unit itself may need to be replaced, as it could signify an internal fault preventing normal operation. Upon completing the necessary repairs indicated through DTC B1632 troubleshooting, it is crucial to conduct a final verification. This involves using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, again to check that the previously indicated DTC is no longer present, confirming that all faulty components have been adequately replaced or repaired. Testing the keyless access functionality post-repairs will ensure that the system operates as intended. Only by running these checks can you ascertain that the issues have indeed been resolved, thus safeguarding the reliability of the vehicle moving forward. To minimize the recurrence of DTC B1632 and enhance vehicle reliability, it's recommended to implement regular preventive maintenance. Conducting checkups on the keyless access system periodically can catch potential issues before they escalate into more severe problems. Inspecting electrical connections systematically ensures that all components maintain a proper and secure fit without undue wear or corrosion. Keeping the electrical harnesses clean and free of obstructions will contribute to the longevity of the vehicle's systems. Overall, incorporating a proactive maintenance schedule can help ensure the vehicle remains both reliable and convenient. In summary, DTC B1632 signals a problem with the motor control CONT signal, affecting the keyless access control system in the Honda Odyssey 2011 to 2017 models. The keyless access control unit and electric steering lock play essential roles in the vehicle's operation and security. Effective troubleshooting through systematic checks can pinpoint the root cause of the problem, whether it be a faulty component or wiring issues. Addressing these problems promptly preserves vehicle functionality and enhances user satisfaction. Consistent preventive maintenance can also mitigate risks of recurring issues, ensuring a trouble-free driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.